Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play World of Tanks on PC. First, you will need to download the game client directly from the official World of Tanks website. Once downloaded, create a free account and log in. The game offers an excellent tutorial that walks you through the fundamental controls, aiming, and movement. It is highly recommended to complete these initial missions to get a solid grasp of the game's core mechanics before diving into your first live battle. World of Tanks features 5 distinct tank types, each with unique combat roles. Light tanks are your eyes on the battlefield, crucial for spotting. Medium tanks are versatile, perfect for flanking and adapting to situations. Heavy tanks are the armored giants, designed to absorb damage and push forward. Tank destroyers deliver massive damage from afar, while artillery provides crucial indirect fire support. Understanding these roles is key to effective teamwork and victory. Effective gameplay involves several core mechanics. Always aim for enemy weak spots, like lower glacis plates or commanders' hatches, to penetrate their armor. Use terrain and buildings for cover, minimizing your exposure to enemy fire. Teamwork is paramount. Coordinate with your allies to push flanks or defend key positions. Remember to switch between standard and premium ammunition when needed, and use consumables like repair kits wisely. Continuously upgrading your tanks and training your crew will significantly enhance your combat effectiveness. As you progress, you will research new tanks and modules through the tech tree, unlocking hundreds of unique vehicles. Training your crew is vital, as their skills provide significant bonuses to your tank's performance. Keep an eye out for special events and missions, which offer excellent opportunities for extra credits and experience. Mastering map knowledge, understanding common engagement areas, and experimenting with various tank lines will help you refine your strategy and become a more formidable player on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.